Hi friends, I'm CA Dhaval Gandhi, currently working as director of Navkar Institute. Friends, in this last attempt of November 2023, we had more than 100 students who have cleared CA from Navkar. To be very precise, CA final from Navkar. You ask me, what is the most important reason of this many students clearing CA final from Navkar? I think, topmost reason I would always mention is classroom coaching. Friends, we have seen over a period of time, a lot of students in CA final are moving towards online coaching. But ask yourself, don't ask me. Are you that disciplined student who gets up every day 7 o'clock in the morning and study for 3 hours? If not, then join Navkar, because we provide that atmosphere, we provide that infrastructure where every day, including Sunday, classroom coaching happens. Basically, what we understand is academics is something which we don't do with a lot of joy. Precisely, someone has to compel that, and that's the role performed by Navkar Institute. And not only coaching, education, providing education, we also compel students to go for exams, write regular paper at Navkar, and probably that's the only reason we could produce good result in CA final, in fact in all levels of CA.